is my project which predict the motor fault and the maintenance and remaining useful life. So integrating the collab Google API key, then loading all the libraries from the ADK and setting the retry config operating. I log into my Hugging Face account where I have made the 3 agents, small language models that already I have trained and it is already there on the Hugging Face. I'm loading here with the transformer generator. The second one is the RUL detector and the third one is the maintenance scheduler. I'm loading the pipeline as the QDA is filled here and the SLM are loaded on the GPU. I am setting this function to load unload the agent and I'm defining the tool function here, defining the agents as a strict fault agent that take the input in the numerical form and give output as a fault type. And the second agent is the strict remaining useful life agent that takes the input numerical inputs and gives the remaining useful life in hours. And the third one is the maintenance agent, the last agent, that is giving a proper natural language human language answer after getting the data from the previous agents. It is using the Phi-2 maintenance scheduler tool, the general agent, which is going to answer the general queries related to the motor using the Google search tool. And the fault runner, here we are checking just a strict fault agent, a single agent, is it working well or not. So I provided it with the motor data as shown here, and I can see the fault identifies as a tool via failure. I'm next checking the RUL agent, whether it is working or not, just running the cell. So it first loads the RUL agent from the Hugging Face to my T4 GPU of the collab. It is just loading. Until then, we can see other code also. The last agent is a maintenance supervisor which uses the sequential agent from fault agent. The fault type is passed to the strict RUL agent. RUL predict the remaining useful life, and all that data goes to the maintenance agent to give the maintenance priority. We can check. So here, the RUL agent has given its response as 1850 hours. It will for a given data of the motor, rotational speed, torque, and this stuff. The motor will run for this much of hours. You can see the correct answers. Even if I run the project 2 times, it giving the same answer. 1850 at maximum attempt I have set to 3 times here for secure purpose. Now I will run the maintenance supervisor and this. So it will load all 3, unload. It will take us little time. Until then we can check that. This one is the main manager agent where the user asks about the fault, then he go to the fault agent, ask about the remaining useful life. He will go to the RUL agent. If we provide the data plan and fulfill the maintenance and want a maintenance report, then it will call to the maintenance supervisor agent. That is a sequential agent. Yes. This is the data input, and this output here has given sequential agent operating under the normal condition, no specific fault detected. This one manager agent I've changed. I will run again. And the runner agent. Let's check what the output manager agent, the main agent is giving. So the manager agent has saying the particular machine type sensor data with normal suggests no immediate high priority. So this is the project where we can see the working of the